In this video, we're going to talk about how to create donor fields. So to create fields, you go to Program Settings, and then you go to Forms. And here you will have, it might be collapsed, but you can expand it and select a donor profile forms. Then you go to Manage Form. And when you go to Manage Forms, you can see that you have some standard fields that are created for you. So we have organization name, first name, last name, phone, a phone extension if you want one, street address, address line to city, state, all these fields available to you. And so you could, right now the permissions are set to everyone, but then you could change them to have maybe donors and admins or admins only. So in case you want, and you could also choose which fields you want to have as title fields. So in my case, I would want first name to be a title field. I would want it to be visible to everyone and required. Same as last name. I would want it to be a title field and visible to everyone, and it's also required. Something about permissions. We had already talked about permissions in a separate video, but I want any fields that I want to appear in a public checkout, or I want to be, visible for the donor dashboard admins. Sorry, the public checkouts, then I would choose everyone. But if I only want it to be visible for admins and donors only, the donor dashboard plus admins, then I would choose donors and admins only. And then admins only is for the admins page. So there is a little summary of the permissions here. But since I need the donors to enter this information on their own, I will make these fields public. So I'm going to save this. So basically you go in and choose all the fields whose information you would want the donors to be able to fill out. By default, it's public. So I will let them fill out all this information. The required fields, I'll just make the phone number required. I will not make it a title field. I will also make the phone extension required, as this will be helpful in our auto SMS feature. I will make the street address required as well, so that I'm able to use it when I'm doing mailings, a city, the state or province. So this caters for different regions as well. So if you're like in Canada or the UK, where it's not necessarily, where the verbiage is not necessarily state, you could choose that. We have a postal code or a zip code. Then country, I'll make that required as well. And yeah, this is what we have here. I'll leave organization as optional, so that in case someone chooses an organization, it's able to show up. They're able to only fill it if they choose an organization, and these other ones, first name and last name, will disappear. So yeah, that's what we have here. The next piece we're going to work on are the custom fields. So these are our out-of-the-box standard fields for donors. And next, we're going to add some custom fields. So for custom fields, I would like to have these two fields. One asking, and this will appear on the public checkout page, asking donors whether they would like to receive email correspondence with students. So I will put the question here. It will be of type radio, where it's a yes or no type of field, single choice. Permissions are for everyone. Usage, individuals and organizations. And yeah, I will have this required. So I want to make this a conditional type